All right, so today's project is cleaning up the outside of this tool shed. I've got some extra river rock from when we did this fire pit over here. I got a video on that, and gonna make some a bed around the tool shed right here so we can clean it up with some river rock, and at some point probably in the spring put some bushes in there or something like that to kind of clean it up, and it'll look pretty good. So I have a video on the shed. We built the shed last year, built the platform under it. There's a video on how to build the platform too. So now I just want to clean it up a little bit more, and kind of goofing around with some rocks. I don't know if that's the direction I'm going to go with it. I dug up all the grass around my tool shed, trenched down with my edging tool, and went all the way around the side right here. And around the side over here looks pretty good. Got most of the weeds out of here, so now I'm going to put a ground barrier down, and I'm going to start laying some rock on top of it. We got some ground cover down. I was spreading out all these river rocks. I'm going to fill this all in. So my back is killing me, my arms are killing me, but I'm finally finished this project. I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm finally done laying down all this river rock, and I edged all around here so the rocks kind of go into a pocket. Did around the side over here. Went around this way, went up to the bottom of the framing with the rocks that the critters couldn't get under there. We got skunks in the area and stuff like that. I haven't had a problem yet, and I don't really want one, so hopefully the rock will deter them a little bit. But this is how it looks and how it came out. It looks a lot better than it did when I first started, and makes the yard look a lot better too. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Thumb up the video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take it easy, guys.